common grounding module form in TNC system with power systems and grounding systems. Upon lighting surge intrusion, it initiates fast surge elimination via energy conversion module, neutralization and equalization module. Then there's also the neutralization and equipotential module. It neutralizes positive electronics or negative electronics of abnormal high impulse electricity into lightning surge, which intrude into the system via power line or grounding systems. It eliminates lighting surge using physical characteristics of mutual charging of electrons of positive electrons or negative electrons, which is some component lighting charges. Grounding connection, main ground bar. This provides ground conductor connectivity for protecting target facilities to form equipotential. It provides grounding connection for protecting target facilities to transfer abnormal current, intruded lighting source, induced source, grounding current, which can intrude via groundings, earth, and data line to internal modules, etc. So, this is the evaluation test by Curie. The energy conversion. Okay, the induced lighting source, for example, there's a power line induced source of 3,000 amperes, 5,000 amperes. When it passes by the energy conversion system, the system takes into operation, and the resulting is 0.01 kiloampere electronic information. Result, the conversion rate of 95%. Okay. Digital grounding device which does not need to be buried in ground. This is a very tricky question, or very some electrical engineers would oppose or question the idea of not using ground, because traditionally and theoretically these engineers are taught that in order to avoid damage from surge, you need to have a grounding system. Okay, so there's analog grounding and digital grounding. Let us consider analog grounding as part of the lighting protection. Analog grounding used to work and is still working for analog systems. Like, for example, it can protect for vacuum tube transistor type of equipment. Whereas nowadays, we are using now the digital equipment with very high integration level of IC chips into our electronic equipment. These two types, the analog and digital equipment, requires separate technology or different technology for protecting from surge. In analog system, the lighting protection is via grounding rod, by using the surge protection devices and achieving low earthing resistance. Well, this is working and good for analog grounding, for analog system. But with digital equipment, using the ECA3G, which is a digital grounding device, it does not need grounding rods and low earthing resistance. Another comparison, analog does not, we cannot achieve TN grounding, and but with ECA3G possible to do TN grounding and equipotential. The impedance, neutral ground terminal, in analog above 10 ohms, below 1 ohm. Multi-pulse module. ECA3G have live and live neutral, but with analog does not have, equipotential module does not have, common grounding module does not have.